I want to explain how you can create typewriter effect on your phone using Inshot. So this is my Inshot application here, and I'm using an iPhone. It is the same thing on Android, just a little difference in terms of functionality. So okay, we go to video. I pick my video. This is the video I want to use, and then I have a fruit in my hand, and that fruit is called Gorantula. So I want this effect to come in at this point. So I use test. I type G. Gorantula is Gorantula. Okay, so I start from here. I want this to last for about 6 seconds, and the video, or say 5 seconds. The name should be up. So I use copy to duplicate, move it in a little so it doesn't start on the same point, and then select the next layer, which is this, and then move it away from these. Don't let it center. Okay, and then I'll change it to Goron. I copy this again, move it in a little, and drag to this point. Okay, so the next one I wanted to start from here, which is the Tula. I want Tula to start from here, so I will again copy this, move it in to this point, change it to T, then bring it down here, or move it away from the fruit so people can see it. Copy again, move it in, this time to U, so if I just play it, my sound is still there. Just to reduce distraction, let me take away the sound. We do that by going to volume and then reducing the sound. So let me just have delay on the screen. You see my O came before G, so there's a correction I need to make. This should be down, this should be up. I don't know, at the point of editing I messed it up, so I have to correct. Okay, now this should move forward. So I have Gorantula. So one thing I can do is to style it in the sense that I can decide to say, okay, let me pick different colors for this Tula. Let my O be this blue. Let my L be, there's a lot you can do really. Green, no, this green, and then the A should be I love coral. So okay, we have final color. You can also do the same to the Goron if you want. Rontula, Gorantula. Okay, so the next thing is to bring your sound right from where the first letter begins to appear. So I've already saved typewriter sound in my phone, so I'll just go straight to locate it using music. You see music here, so select music, go straight to music, tracks, imported music, you see my typewriter as the number one thing there, so I pick it and I say use. So I'll look for the area that types a little slow in a way to match my letter, the way it's appearing. The entire length of the video is the music is what you're seeing, so I'll need to cut the size that I want that will match the introduction of the letters as they come in. So I don't want to bore you with the sound, but at the end of the day I'm going to get a good sound. I may have to adjust the letters to reduce the amount of time or seconds that they spend to come in, so you just keep an eye on what I'm doing, because I'm taking out the sound so it doesn't cause distraction. So I picked a sound here, but at the end I noticed it didn't match. Now it's difficult to adjust sound in terms of speed on a phone, especially if you're using the free application. I don't know if the paid app is has that functionality, but free application, the free Inshot that I'm using now, which I believe most people would be using, does not have that. So you just have to make do with the sound, but adjust your text to fit in. That's what I will be doing in the next few seconds. All right. That I have adjusted the sound to how it will rhyme, I'd just like to play it so you just hear how it rhymes. So it may take a little time for you to be able to adjust the text to match the sound, but it is possible on your phone. That's just one thing I would like to let you know. As you can see, it's possible. All right, so let's play and listen. Again. So you see it matches the way the letters are appearing, and that's the exciting part of it. So whatever you can do on a computer, you actually can achieve on a smartphone. And then these applications are there for you to use. Explore them. They are simple. If you have issues with what you're doing, especially if you're on Android, you can leave a comment here and I'll be able to attend to it. I would be able to also put you through maybe in a new video, but there's a lot that you can do with your phone. And if you like the video and expect to watch more, you can subscribe to my channel by just touching the subscribe button, so you get more videos on how to use Inshot to create stunning videos on a mobile phone. Thank you very much for watching. I am very much appreciative of your time, and take care. Stay safe. Bye.